welcome. Myself Vaibhav Phule from Mechanical Engineering Department, DY Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, Pune. Today we will see double integration by trapezoidal rule. So let us see the problem. The problem is integrate x square plus y square dx from 2 to 4, and then this whole is to be integrated from 0 to 2 dy. Use trapezoidal rule with two number of strips for x and y. Let us try to write down the given data. So x0 is lower limit of x, that is 2. Xn is upper limit of x, that is 4. Then y0 is lower limit of y, that is 0. Yn is upper limit of y, that is 2. Then number of strips for x, it is given as 2. Number of strips for y, that is m, it is given as 2. Now what this m and n will do for x and y respectively. Let us see that. Let us consider x0 is 2 and xn as 4, which is given in the problem. So the total length will be divided into given number of strips. So this is the strip 1, this is the strip 2, as it is given, divided into 2 strips. Similarly for y, total length is 0 to 2, and it is to be divided into first strip and second strip. Then how to calculate this distance? This distance from 0 to 1, it is called as width of the strip. So let us calculate width of the strip for x. That is equals to h, and which can be calculated as upper limit of x minus lower limit of x divided by number of strips for x. So that is 4 minus 2 by 2 is 1. Similarly for y, width of the strip is k, and that is upper limit of y minus lower limit of y divided by number of strips, and that is m. So 2 minus 0 by 2 is 1. Now let us calculate x0, x1, x2. x0 is nothing but lower limit, and that is 2. Then x1, how to calculate x1? x1 is equals to x0 plus 1 into h. Here h is width of the strip. So 2 plus 1 into 1 is 3. Then x2 will be x0 plus 2h, and that is 4. Similarly we can calculate y0 is 0, y1 is y0 plus k. K is width of the strip for y, and that is 1. So y1 is 1, y2 is 2. Now next we have to prepare one table which consists of the values of x0, x1, x2, y0, y1, y2. And then here I have written f of x0, y0. So why I have written f of x0, y0 here only? Because when you see at this cell of table, x0 and y0 are intersecting. Similarly in the next cell you can see x0 and y1 are intersecting. Therefore I have written f of x0, y1. Then similarly here in this cell x2 and y2 are intersecting, and therefore I have written f of x2 comma y2. Now our aim is to calculate all the values of f of x0 y0, then f of x0 y1, f of x0 y2, like that. So let us try to calculate that values. So here again I have made two tables or two columns. First column I have written f of xy, and in the second column I have written the given function, that is x square plus y square. Here you can see the function is x square plus y square. Okay. Now let us try to calculate one by one. First is f of x0 y0. So I am writing here f of x0 y0. Now we have calculated x0 as 2 and y0 as 0. So I am writing here f of 2 comma 0, and then our function is x square plus y square. So instead of x I have to put the value of x0, and that is 2. So it will be 2 square plus y0 is 0, and that is 0 square. So it will be 2 square plus 0 square is 4. Then let us calculate f at x0, y1. X0 is 2, y1 is 1. So f of x0, y1 will be 2 square plus 1 square. It will be 5. So and then we can calculate similarly f of x0, y2, that is f of 2, 2, and which will be value of x0 is 2 and value of y2 is 2. So 2 square plus 2 square will be 8. Similarly, you can calculate the remaining terms like this, and then again we have to copy this table, and now we have to write all the values whatever we have calculated. So I have written here all the values. Now we have to apply here the trapezoidal rule. So the trapezoidal rule for the double integration is I is equals to h into k by 4 into sum of corner elements of A1, corner elements of A2 plus sum of corner elements of A3 plus sum of corner elements of A4. Now in this table I have shown the A1, A2, A3 and A4. Okay, so let us try to solve this. I into value of h is 1, k is 1 divided by 4 into sum of corner element of A1. So A1 is here and the corner elements are 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 8. Then plus sum of corner elements of A2. A2 I have marked here and the corner elements are 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 9. Similarly, sum of corner elements of A3. A3 is here and they are 8 plus 9 plus 17 plus 16, and then sum of corner elements of A4 are 9 plus 10 plus 18 plus 17. So you can see I have done the summation, and then this value comes to 14.5, and therefore double integration of the given problem by trapezoidal rule is 14.5 units. Thank you.